Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the construction going on Spanish Town Road. So we are by the 3 miles area heading towards Mandela Highway on the 3 miles overpass. Okay, so the government is renovating this road. It's being done in two phases. Phase 1 will be the laying of pipes by the NWC, and phase 2 will be the paving of the road. Now this is a 6-lane road. You can see it's very wide. You have a lot of business places on this road. This is what you call a main road. It takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the main road that takes you into and out of the city of Kingston, to downtown Kingston. You can go to Halfway Tree, all the more populated areas in Jamaica. This road can take you there. Okay, so you have a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road, a lot of large communities, because remember, Spanish Town Road runs from Mandela Highway all the way to downtown Kingston. Also intersects Mandela Highway and Washington Boulevard. So you have a lot of communities on Spanish Town Road, and the existing water pipes were not large enough to get the water to all these areas, because the areas are growing and the demand for the water has increased. So Water Commission has put in bigger pipes, and phase 1 of the project is Water Commission putting in bigger pipes, and phase 2 will be the paving of the road. So currently Water Commission has laid the pipes and they were testing the pipes, but apparently something went wrong and they had to dig back up certain parts of the road to fix the pipes. They were pressure testing the pipes and they are still working on the pipes. I've seen recently where a backhoe was digging up the road at certain points. So clearly the Water Commission hasn't finished with their part. So as soon as Water Commission signs off and says yes, they're finished with the laying of the pipes, the road will be paved. So at this point now, they're building a bridge over the sidewalk. There you can see on the right, Water Commission was working there recently. But when finished, this will be a very nice road. It's not going to have the concrete barricade like Mandela, but it will have what you see now existing. Probably plant some trees or something in the median between the two roads, between the two sides of the road. Okay, now this is not a turning lane, they're going over the median just because they don't want to go down to the light and make a U-turn at the light, and you can see the light straight ahead in the camera. I'm hoping too that when they finish with this road, they turn this bridge into a 3-lane bridge so that the traffic doesn't have to merge into 2 lanes and then expand into 3 lanes. Okay, so we are now going to turn here and head up to Weymouth Drive. Now, you can't access Washington Boulevard from the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Mandela Highway now. That turn to go right was closed. So if you want to access Washington Boulevard, you have to go through Washington Gardens here, or go down to Mandela Highway and then make a U-turn somewhere on the road. And you will have to go as far down as Central Village to make that U-turn. But there is no other, because there is a concrete barricade on Mandela Highway separating both sides of the road. No, that's not true. You can go down to the ferry industrial complex. There is a bridge where you can make a U-turn there. Oh, you'd have to go over the bridge and come back up and then access Washington Boulevard from Mandela Highway. But unfortunately, you have to put up these concrete barricades to ensure. Okay, you saw the car making the illegal turn a few minutes ago on Spanish Town Road, and that's because there is no concrete barricade. So that's why you have to put up the concrete barricades to prevent people from doing those kind of turns. Alright, so we're now on Weymouth Drive heading towards Washington Boulevard. Alright, so this is now Washington Boulevard. Turn left on Washington Boulevard. You head towards Mandela Highway. Turn right, you head towards Dunrobin Avenue and then Constant Spring Road. Or you head towards Malines Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Oh, before we go, if you notice, there's a lot of traffic at this point on the road, and if you look on the right, traffic flows freely. That's because this traffic on the left, where we're heading, has to merge into 2 lanes because of the bridge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.